Hey guys, it's Monica. My YouTube is Spanish Hello. My website is SpanishHello.cincy.us. As you can see, I have my counter clean in pink lemon water. Running out of supplies, glass cleaner, Comet. That's my dog crying. And I already sprayed the shut up. The stove, I sprayed it. So you guys can see it's dirty from last night. We made quesadillas. So hold on, let me clean it real fast. Sorry for the noise. My dog is trying to get out. He's being a bad boy. So we're gonna get some peanut butter with some crackers. Hold on. So all I did here was put peanut butter. Then I'm just gonna close them. One of the crackers broke, so that's great. My dog's still crying over there, so just ignore him. It's because the neighbors are out and about, so I'm gonna have 3 crackers. This is just my little quick breakfast. I'm gonna put it in my baggie that I have. What do I have in here? I have these apple ones, Werther's, and then chocolate balls. That's just the baggie we're gonna use. Peanut butter. Throw this away, and let's ignore this boy. Combing my hair and brushing my teeth, getting ready for work. Here is my schedule of the wax that I'm going to warm this week. I don't know if you can see, that says brick. So that's what I'm working on this week, and then after that it says clear, but that's where the containers are, like these. I have the tea lights in. The containers are clear containers, so that's how I know that's what I'm working on. Right now we are getting dressed because it's time for me to go to work. I'm gonna put gas in the car, go to work about 3 hours, and then we will see you guys later. Again, this is Monica. I'm gonna try to add to this and make it like a little vlog. So we'll see you later. Bye. Hey guys, we're here at the gas station getting gas, and I wanted to show you my scent circle. It is Alpine Escape, I believe, which is like a tree, mint, and vanilla. I changed out the cinnamon bear scent circle. We are on my way to work. It rained last night, so it's all fresh. There's a worker there. This is the town I live in New Mexico. My husband's putting gas, and we're on our way to work. So I'll talk to you guys later. Here at work. Hey guys, continue with our vlog. We are now back home. This is the Disney Princess warmer. It's barely melting. It is cake and berries from Little Blue Coop. That's what's in there right now. Pound cake, mixed berries, and whipped cream, and it smells delicious in here. So hold on. This is my box for retail and vendor wax. See, it's pretty big. I have Goose Creek, I have vendor wax, I think that's Melting Memories right there. Like South to Sanity. Sorry. Right now I'm at eating lunch. Hold on. Yeah, like I said, right now I'm eating lunch. This is pulled pork with macaroni and cheese. It's just a TV dinner. For dinner, we're probably going to be making hamburgers. This is my vlog for Spanish Halo. Later on today, I'll be doing filming my On Wednesdays We Talk Wax series. Hey, continuing the vlog, I am ready to start filming my On Wednesdays We Talk Wax series. Let's see if I can show you. This is where I record from, right here. And so I'm getting ready to record that. I upload it tomorrow. After I record that, I'm gonna start making dinner. windy. It's rainy over here in New Mexico. Yeah, and I'm just getting stuff ready because the end of the month is coming. Excuse my husband, he's right here being loud again. And so we will continue the vlog later on. These are my two dogs. That's Dookie. That's the one you usually hear. That is his mama, Caprice. And then we have another one. Let's see if I can get her. And that is Camila. It is now time to cook dinner. So if you can hear the sizzling, I'm making burgers for me and my husband. This is the continuation of my first vlog. I've never did one, so I'm hoping that it comes together well. I just want to show you a day in the life of me. Especially with all the burping and stuff. And it's a nice breezy day. It was raining all day yesterday. Raining on and off. I'm just looking out the window. Look at what my dog did. Right here. This curtain was here to cover the window to block the sun. And he pulled it so he can see in the backyard. Yeah, that's the one that I showed you, the brown one. He is a half pug and half chihuahua. His name is Dookie. He's going to be 5. Okay, we will show you when the burgers are done, and then we'll continue with this. But here he goes, looking out the window. I don't know what he sees. There's nothing there, but he's over here on my hair. And this is my, let's see if I can show you my grand puppy. It's Camila. This loud one right here is Dookie. This is what he does all day. When you guys hear him, this is what he's doing. So, continuing with the vlog and the dogs, we will. There's literally nothing in the backyard. He's barking at nothing. This boy. Here is the finished product. It is a hamburger patty with lettuce, onions. I seasoned the meat with salt, pepper, garlic, onion, herb, cumin, and paprika. So we're about to go into the room and eat. There goes my dog. So we will go on to the next thing later on. See. Also, I forgot to mention, when I'm not cooking, I usually have my tea light. So this is red pear and pomegranate. I use the tea light warmer. It lasts about 4 hours. So yeah, we will see you guys later. I don't want to show you the back because it's kind of dirty over here, and I don't feel like cleaning. Today is a lazy day. Sorry for the burping. We will continue this vlog.